Every year, crypto scams that steal billions of dollars from people who thought they were mining digital currency. Fake apps, fake dashboards, fake withdrawal screens that show your balance growing right up until the moment you try to take your money out. And then suddenly there's a fee you have to pay first, a fee that never ends. Today I'm going to show you exactly how these scams work, the 5 red flags that expose almost every fake mining app within 60 seconds, and what a legitimate mining platform actually looks like under the hood, including one that has done something most of the industry hasn't. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to vet any mining app by yourself. Let's get into it. Why do crypto mining scams work so well? Here's the psychological trick at the center of almost every mining scam. They let you watch your balance grow. You download the app, you activate a miner, and you watch the numbers tick upwards every second. It feels real. It feels earned. The growing number triggers the same reward response as a slot machine, and it is designed to keep you logged in, inviting friends, depositing more money to unlock faster speeds. The more you deposit, the faster that number goes up. The scam isn't the mining, the scam is the withdrawal, because most of these apps were never actually mining anything. They're running a number on a server that has no connection to real blockchain hash power. The moment you try to convert that fake balance into real crypto, you hit a wall, a withdrawal fee, a tax, a verification deposit, or a minimum balance that continuously moves every time you get close to it. Real Bitcoin mining costs real money, real electricity, and it takes a real hardware, data center space, and real platforms charge that up front, transparently before you even start. Fake platforms hide the cost at the exit after they already have your trust and your data. That single distinction, pay up front and transparently versus pay hidden fees to escape. It is the cleanest way to separate real platforms from scams. Here are 5 red flags of a fake mining app. No verifiable hardware. Legitimate cloud mining companies operate real data centers with real ASIC or GPU rigs. They show you facility photos, hash rate data tied to public mining pools, and sometimes live camera feeds as well. If the app cannot point to any physical infrastructure anywhere, you're not mining, you're just watching numbers grow on a fake screen. Red flag number 2. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Crypto is one of the greatest wealth building opportunities of our generation, and the IRS wants 30% of every gain. That is not a fee, that is a gut punch. What if you could legally pay 0? That's exactly what I Trust Capital is built for. It is a self-directed IRA platform that lets you trade crypto, even gold and silver, completely tax-free inside of a Roth IRA. Every dollar of profit stays with you. We are talking 90 plus cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, tradable 24/7. You can stake inside of your IRA to earn passive rewards, tax sheltered, or you can diversify straight into physical gold and silver, all from one clean dashboard. 0 setup fees, 0 monthly fees. Your assets are secured by Coinbase custody. Institutional grade, just a flat 1% transaction fee. That's it. Stop donating your profits to the IRS. Click the link below, open your I Trust Capital account, and start building tax-free crypto wealth today. Also, if you use that link below, you are going to get a $100 funding bonus as well. And now let's get back to the video. Red flag number 2, withdraw fees that scale with your balance. This is the big one. A real network transaction fee is small and roughly fixed. It costs about the same to send $50 as it does to send $5,000. If an app's withdrawal fee grows as your balance grows or suddenly appears only once you try to cash out, that is not a network fee. That's just a barrier designed to make withdrawal feel just expensive enough that you give up, or just cheap enough that you pay it, and then they invent another one. Red flag number 3, pressure to recruit. The fastest way to spot a pyramid structure disguised as mining is to check whether your earnings depend more on your referrals or actual hashing power. If invite 5 friends to unlock withdrawal appears anywhere in your app, you're not mining, that is just recruitment. Red flag number 4, no transparency on and where your money actually goes. Legitimate platforms disclose contract terms, maintenance fees, and electricity costs clearly before you even purchase. Scam apps are vague by design. Vague terms are easier to violate later. And finally, red flag number 5. Reviews exist only inside the app. A real company has years of coverage, regulatory mentions, third-party audits, or a community discussion outside of its own app. If the only proof of legitimacy is a 5-star review inside the app itself, treat that as a red flag, not reassurance. And now here's what a legitimate mining platform actually looks like. First, it has verifiable infrastructure. You can trace the mining back to real hardware in real facilities, often tied to public Bitcoin network hash rate data, not just numbers inside of someone's app. Second, upfront fixed costs. You know exactly what you are paying for, a mining contract or hashing power before you commit. No surprise fees waiting for you at the exit. Third, this is the detail that most people overlook. Zero or minimal withdrawal fees. This matters more than people realize, because the withdrawal step is where almost every scam reveals itself. A platform confident in its own legitimacy doesn't need to charge you to leave. It has already made its margin transparently on the front end and through the mining contract itself. This is exactly where Go Mining stands out. Go Mining lets you own NFTs backed by mining power tied to real, verifiable Bitcoin mining hardware. You can see the hash rate, the facility data, and your share of it directly in the platform. And when it's time to withdraw, Go Mining doesn't tack on withdrawal fees to squeeze you on the way out. What you have earned is what you can take out. Here's a 3-step check you can run on any mining platform before you deposit a single dollar. Step number 1, search for the company outside of its own app. Look for regulatory filings, press coverage, or independent crypto community discussion. A platform with years of public history and real users discussing it is a different category from an app that only exists inside of its own ecosystem. Step number 2, find the fee schedule before you sign up, not after. A legitimate platform publishes its costs clearly, contract prices, maintenance fees, and the withdrawal terms as well, all visible before you even commit. If you have to dig for this information or the fees only appear after you try to cash out, simply walk away. Step 3, check whether your earnings are tied to hashing power or to referrals. Pull up the platform's explanation on how returns are generated. If it is explained in terms of mining hardware, electricity, and network difficulty, that's a mining business. If it is explained in the terms of how many people you bring in, that is a pyramid wearing a mining costume. Run any app through these checks and the scams expose themselves almost immediately. So to recap, the scam is almost never in the mining itself. It is in the withdrawal. Watch for hidden fees that appear only when you try to cash out, pressure to recruit, and the total lack of verifiable hardware. Real platforms front load their costs transparently and let you walk out the door with what you have actually earned. If you want to see what verifiable, free, transparent mining actually looks like, it is worth spending 10 minutes exploring the Go Mining platform yourself. Look at the hash rate data, the facility information, and the fee structure, and then run it through the same 3-step checklist that we have just covered. If this has helped you spot something you wouldn't have caught before, smash the like button and subscribe. Also, if you are interested in mining Bitcoin on the most trusted Bitcoin mining platform, make sure to check out all my other videos on the Go Mining platform. I also have a link for them in the description box below as well. So that is all I have for this quick video. See you in the next one. Peace out.